How is St. Patrick's Day celebrated? Have you ever wondered how St. Patrick's Day is celebrated in Ireland? This special day, observed every year on March 17th, is a vibrant showcase of Irish culture and heritage. It brings communities together in a joyful celebration that is both festive and meaningful. The heart of St. Patrick's Day festivities lies in the grand parades. Dublin, the capital city, hosts the National St. Patrick's Day Parade, which is a sight to behold. With over 500,000 spectators, this parade features more than 4,000 participants. You will see marching bands from various countries, colorful dancers, and stunning floats that reflected Irish identity and spirit. The parade winds through historic streets, creating an atmosphere of excitement and pride. But Dublin is not the only city that celebrates. Galway also hosts impressive parades, often featuring giant puppets and street performances. The Macnas Theatre Company is known for its theatrical displays that captivate audiences. Galway celebrations last for several days, offering family-friendly entertainment, vintage amusements, and craft markets. The Grand Parade here showcases the city's artistic heritage and community spirit. Other regions in Ireland have their own unique celebrations too. For instance, Limerick organizes the International Band Championship during the St. Patrick's Festival. Marching bands from around the world compete in this spirited event, adding to the festive atmosphere. St. Patrick's Day is a public holiday across Ireland, and the entire country comes alive with music, dance, and community gatherings. Traditional Irish music fills the air, and dance performances are common. Many towns host treasure hunts, talks, and cultural exhibitions that allow visitors to connect with Irish heritage. For travelers, participating in St. Patrick's Day celebrations is a fantastic way to experience the warmth of Irish social customs. Whether you are joining the crowds at a parade, enjoying live music in a local pub, or exploring family-friendly events, you will feel the spirit of this special day. St. Patrick's Day in Ireland is a lively celebration filled with parades, cultural performances, and community events. It honors Irish heritage and identity, making it a must-see experience for anyone visiting during this time.